Hey friends, wait, stop. Don't open another coding tutorial. Don't buy that course just yet. Because listen, I know you've probably been hearing everywhere that coding is the future. Learn coding. Everyone should code. But here's the truth. Most people who start coding, they give up. They get frustrated. They feel like it's not for them. Why? Because they jump into it blindly without actually understanding what they're getting into. So in this video, I'm going to share the real truth about learning coding, the mistakes most beginners make, the myths you've been told, and what you should do before you even type your very first line of code. Stick with me, because this might save you months, maybe even years of wasted effort. You know, let me tell you a quick story. One person, super motivated guy, right? He bought a fancy laptop, signed up for like three different coding boot camps, and spent every night grinding tutorials. Fast forward 6 months, he quit. He said, "Bro, this coding thing not for me." But here's the funny part. The reason he quit wasn't because coding is impossible, it's because he didn't have clarity about why he was learning it. He thought coding equals instant job, instant money, instant success, and that's the trap so many fall into. Maybe you're there right now. You're watching videos, hearing influencers say, learn Python and you'll get rich. No, my friend, it doesn't work like that. So today, let's break this down step by step. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room. Is coding important? Yes. Is coding powerful? Absolutely. But does everyone need to learn it? No, because think about it. Do all of us need to become surgeons? Do all of us need to become pilots? No, right? Similarly, coding is a tool, and like any tool, it's useful if it aligns with your goals. So before you even start, ask yourself, do I want to build apps? Do I want to get into AI, data, cybersecurity? Do I just want to understand tech a little better as a manager? If you don't know why you're learning coding, trust me, you'll quit. So today, let's break this down step by step. Okay, let's clear another myth. Coding is not just typing weird symbols on a black screen like in Hollywood movies. At its core, coding is problem solving. That's it. You tell the computer, hey, take this input, process it, and give me that output. That's literally all. Whether it's a calculator app, a game, or a billion-dollar platform like YouTube, it's just inputs, processes, and outputs. So if you love solving puzzles, breaking problems into smaller chunks, you're gonna enjoy coding. But if the idea of troubleshooting and debugging makes you want to throw your laptop out the window, you might struggle. Here's the thing, no one tells you when they sell you that $200 boot camp. Learning coding is boring, sometimes repetitive, confusing. You'll spend hours debugging one tiny error. You'll Google the same problem 5 times. Stack Overflow will become your new best friend. And you know what? That's normal, that's part of the game. The people who make it as developers aren't the smartest ones, they are the ones who don't quit when it gets tough. So don't start coding thinking it's going to be this fun, glamorous activity every single day. Some days it's painful, but if you push through, the results are magical. All right, so let me save you a lot of time. Before you even pick up Python, Java, C++, or whatever language, master these three things: logic and problem solving. Practice brain teasers, logical puzzles, even Sudoku. Coding is 90% logic, 10% syntax, basic math, not scary. You don't need PhD level math, just simple algebra, patterns, and thinking in steps. Patience sounds funny, right? But coding is a patience game. If you rage quit at the first error, you're done. Get these three right, and trust me, coding will feel way less intimidating. Okay, so when you finally decide to start, here's the roadmap I wish someone gave me. Step 1, pick one language, just one. Don't try to learn Python, Java, C, JavaScript all at once. Step 2, build mini projects, a calculator, a to-do list, a weather app, something simple but fun. Step 3, share your projects, put them on GitHub, post them online, show the world you can actually build, not just consume tutorials. Step 4, join a community, Discord, Reddit, LinkedIn groups, and trust me, you'll learn 10 times faster with others. Now here is something most coding channels won't tell you, like you might not even need coding. If your goal is to build a simple website, tools like Wix, Webflow, WordPress exist. If your goal is to automate tasks, tools like Zapier, Make, or ChatGPT itself can do the heavy lifting. So ask yourself, do I need hardcore coding or do I just need to use smarter tools? Final truth bomb, coding alone won't get you a job. You need coding plus problem solving plus communication plus teamwork, because companies don't just hire coders, they hire people who can solve business problems using code. So if you're learning coding just for the paycheck, you'll struggle. But if you're learning coding as a way to create value, solve problems, and build cool stuff, you'll thrive. So here's the bottom line, my friend. Don't learn coding until you're clear about why you want it. Don't waste months jumping from tutorial to tutorial. Instead, get clear, start small, build real projects, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. And hey, if you found this video helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who's thinking about learning coding. Because remember, it's not about learning code, it's about learning to think. See you in the next one. Next